Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So, setting live timers and countdowns on Discord can enhance your server's engagement and organization, whether you are hosting events, meetings, or gaming sessions. So, we all know that Discord within its website does not have this feature, so we will need to use the third party app in order to do this. So, simply go to the another tab and search for the hammertime.cyon. So basically guys, hammertime.cyon is a simple web tool that allows you to create and share countdown timers on Discord. So open your web browser and go to it. So inside Hammertime, you will see a form where you can configure your countdown timer. Enter the date and time for your countdown. So you can see there is the date option available, and in this side search bar you can also see the uh, timer or the different country zone option available there. You can simply choose one, and now all you have to do is generate the URL. Copy the URL generated by hammertime.cyo and paste the URL in your Discord channel. So this is my dummy account, so I don't have any channels. So simply go to your Discord channel and paste it, and the URL will automatically render a live countdown timer in the chat, showing the time remaining until the specified date and time. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.